What's going on, guys? It's Trevor with Embers Fireplaces and Outdoor Living. Today we're showing you a cool new product by Kamado Joe. What's really cool about this is actually a pellet grill. So most of the time you're familiar with the Kamado style grills, Big Green Egg, Kamado Joe. It's a ceramic cooker. But this, they've integrated that technology into a pellet smoker. So I'm really excited to get into this thing and see what I think of it and the design of it. So the advantage, the real reason you'd want to do a pellet smoker inside a ceramic cooker like this is heat retention. Obviously, compared to a traditional steel barrel, this heavy duty ceramic is going to retain and hold heat. So especially in colder climates, it's going to do a better job as far as holding heat. Or if you just personally prefer the look of the Kamado style grill over a traditional looking pellet grill, would be pretty cool. So just like the regular Kamado Joe's, it's going to have a latch here, and then it has their easy lift system. And the way it works is right in here is going to be your hopper. So you're going to fill this up with pellets here, and it's got a little chute down here, and it comes with this little scooper. So it holds a 10-pound hopper, so you'll dump your pellets in just like that, and then that stores back up. And then right here, here's your controls. It's a super simple. Goes from smoke up to searing, so it does get up to 650 degrees. So you just turn it up and turn up your dial how hot you want it. It also works on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so you can have it fully app controlled as well. Side shelves do also come standard. And then the cooking grates themselves, it comes with 2 cooking grates, but that's also stackable, so you could do an extra set up there if you wanted to. And then this is really going to be your smoke shield, so the smoke's going to bellow up and around that. And then it's also where your grease is going to dump out of. So your grease is going to dump into a little bucket on the side of the machine here. And if you take a look here, in there's your burn pot. So that's where your fire is actually going to be going in the actual grill itself. And this goes back together like that. And then your cooking shelves go like that as well. Also, what's really cool is on the back here, there is meat probes. So you do have a meat probe or control option, so you can run that on your app, so you can keep track of what everything's cooking at. Then this is your smokestack. Normally on a regular Kamado, this is fully adjustable, but this is simply on off. So in an on setting, you'll set it like that, rotate it, close it, then it's closed. You're closed and you're ready to roll. Temperature control here as well. So it's pretty cool. We'll see how it does, but it's definitely different and unique compared to your traditional pellet grill. So if you're kind of tired of the traditional pellet grill, or you want something a little bit different, or if you're looking for something that's guaranteed to hold in heat, this is 100% definitely going to hold in heat way better than any traditional pellet grill. So make sure to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up. If you're in the Denver metro area, come down and see these products for yourself in person. Thanks so much for checking out this video.
Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, subscribe to our channel today, give this video a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more videos.